Currently, this is how we have our can stack. Unorganized, we can't see what we're getting most of the time, so we're gonna go ahead and get an organizer just for that can. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, a simple 4-tier can organizer. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set it up and see how it looks in the box. Very slim, everything's compact, instructions on the middle. We're gonna go ahead and start to put it together. All right, they give you everything you need. You don't need any tools. They give you the Allen wrench, including the screws that you're gonna need. Of course, every single is an axle, is a hexagon connection. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Allen wrench to set this up. So let's go ahead and do that. So, all right, it's completed, guys, but I'm gonna show you the top for now as a demo. So I put a little divider here. You can measure the actual cans how you want them. I will suggest leave a little gap of space so they could slide in. What you want to do is maybe put a can in there and then make sure it's not going to have any friction when it slides down. So if you guys can notice, there's little hooks in here, right? And what you could do is all you have to do is hook it in the one end, and then you find the other end, which is right here. Hook up the other end, and that's it. You could measure them, you could remove these, you could measure them, you could have them as you want. But they give you these little things too, and these are actually pretty good. So you could actually add a second layer to it. So if you have another one you buy, you can just stack it up. You could keep stacking them up. These are going to be rolling down now. I'm going to go ahead and divide them and start making the divisions on every single can. And you could get any size of cans, and like I said, they're all going to be coming down. You pull one out, it keeps coming down. You notice, so you fit up to 4 of them in this lay. 4, 4, and 4. All right, so overall you're gonna fit 48 cans on everything. And like I said, one thing I want to mention to you guys, that you can remove one of these brackets. If you guys can see it, you can remove them. All right, and I'm going to show you something that I found unique that might be handy for you guys. You can actually add waters in here, and they can slide down. 5 water bottles you can fit. You take one out, slides in. So not just for can, guys. Cans, stack them up in the bottom if you want. Anywhere you want. Make the rooms that you need. And like you can see, they give you an extra divider and an extra screws just in case you lose them. But as you can see, side angle is not that bad. They slope a little bit, so we're gonna use these for water bottles, just to have them there, and some extra cans of food. Not that bad. Hope you guys enjoy it.